What is Form 26AS and how to download it online? Firstly, Form 26AS is a statement that provides details of any amount deducted as TDS or TCS from various sources of income of a taxpayer. To download it, firstly visit Income Tax official website and click on Login, which is placed at the upper right corner, and fill all your details. After login, go to e-file and income tax returns, and on the fourth button you will see View Form 26AS. Click on it and confirm. Here you will see an attention taxpayer button. Just agree on this and click on Proceed. After that, you can see a line here which says click on View Tax Credit Form 26AS. Just click on that. Here you can see all the details of your Form 26AS. You just need to select your assessment year. Let's say you want to see the details of assessment year 2023-24. Just select that and click on View as HTML. The moment you click on View, you will be able to see all your details. After that, to download it, just click on Export as PDF and the Form 26AS will be downloaded. Thank you.